Hey internet people! I bought lots of molds recently and I'm so excited to show you what I bought. I don't own a lot of molds and I might have really gone overboard with this recent purchase. All this took about 1 month to arrive. It took longer than usual because of the COVID situation. If not, normally it takes only about 2 weeks. Yes. Okay, so now let's unravel the presents that I bought. This is a measuring cup. I used to own one, but I used that too often till it tore because I'm always trying to get rid of the remaining resin residue. But getting the silicone mold is really very useful when you want to save more on your plastic usage. So go get yourself one if you haven't gotten yet, okay? And next I have a gun. When I was purchasing this, I was afraid that it might seem a little too violent because, it is a gun. But then again, it's resin, and I saw how people actually created these beautiful gun resin pieces, and I really can't wait to try out my own gun pieces as well. So I think this is a really cute buy. And this is mahjong tiles. I saw this and I can't not get this. And I think I can make earrings with this. Yeah, so many things. I think it's really, really cute. Okay, and now I have these silicone cups. I think the silicone cups are rather small, but I still have uses for it, I guess. Yes, I can do things with it. Yeah, I think it comes about five of them. And now I have a mermaid tail. I was not expecting this size, okay? I probably read the size chart wrong. I really wanted a smaller mermaid tail, but I think that, I still can make this looks nice. Just need to know what I'm going to use it for. And then I have this flower pot silicone mold. I think this can be great if you want to just put your things inside, whatever things. But I think I'll make it as a flower pot, a very cute flower pot. I think it's will be very nice. And this is a bear brick inspired mold. I really really love this mold. I think it's super cute, and I'm already thinking about the different colors of things to put in this mold. And these are some tiny goldfishes. They're super small, super tiny, and I love it. Okay, they're really really cute. See, okay, I'm sorry that the video is a bit blurry, can't really see, but yep, here you go. And next I have a cat comb. There are so many comb designs to choose from, and I had to make sure I only choose one. If not, I'll go crazy with my spendings. I think it's pretty cute though, but I'm not really sure if we'll make a good comb, but we shall see. And I have this unicorn mole. This unicorn 3D mole is really super cute. I was looking out for this in most of the shops, but it was all sold out and it was quite hard to find a shop that has this. But I think this 3D mole is really really cute. And next I have a game controller mole. I thought again that it would be a smaller piece, but it's not. I feel that the controller looks quite big, and I wanted to make this as earrings. I hope it will still look nice. We'll see. And this is a oval tray. I was really excited to receive this, but God, the amount of resin that I have to put in, wow. And this is a silicone mat. Again, oh my god, I don't know how many times I have to repeat myself, but this is so small. I don't know, many of the shops don't put the sizes, so I don't know, I just assume that it'll be normal. But what's normal, right? Yeah. Okay, and then there's this extra silicone pieces over here. But I guess this mat overall it's okay. It's okay, but it's really too small, not expecting it. but oh well. And I have this jute coaster. I've been really wanting to get this for so long, and I finally got it. And I'm really excited to create uh, my different color combination on this mold, and to create a really nice resin coaster. And I have this geometrical bear. Again, I think it's super adorable. I'm such a sucker for all cute things. Look, I love it. It's like a sitting bear. I believe the shape really turns out really very beautiful. And I have this rabbit mole, super adorable cause it's like a rabbit praying. But I'm extremely disappointed because there's a slit here when it came. Well, not all online purchases are happy, but I hope it still can use it. And I think this is my last mole. It's an angel mole. There are about seven angels, and I think they're pretty dope. They're quite cute. I love it. Love it. So yep, all these are my moles. Overall, I'm really happy with most of my purchase, and I can't wait to use it. So I'll be showing you a fast retake on the mole video, so I hope you will enjoy.